Number 1. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $14,500 in Camden, Missouri, boasts 69,000 original miles. It features a manual 3-speed transmission on the column and a 250 cubic inch inline 6 engine with no power steering or factory air conditioning. The car has been repainted once, and the upholstery has been updated for a refreshed look. Reliable and solid, it was recently driven from Minneapolis to Kansas City without issues. The original owner had it from 1972 to 1986, and the sale includes original hubcaps and the sales receipt, adding to its collectible appeal. By 1972, the Chevrolet Nova was recognized for its combination of style and performance, making it a sought-after classic for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 2. This 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Deluxe, listed for $15,000 in North Ridgeville, Ohio, is a striking 2-door sport coupe with 109,000 miles. It features a 307 engine enhanced with headers, dual exhaust, and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor mounted on an Edelbrock intake manifold. The car boasts a beautiful repaint in light green metallic and includes a new interior, gas tank, and sending unit for a fresh feel. It rides on 15x7 Chevy rally wheels fitted with new BF Goodrich radial TA tires, adding to its classic appeal. The seller is looking for cash offers only, making this Chevelle an enticing option for enthusiasts seeking a well-equipped classic car. By 1973, the Chevrolet Chevelle continued to build its reputation as a powerful and stylish muscle car, drawing attention from collectors and drivers alike. Number 3. This 1977 Chrysler Town & Country station wagon, priced at $13,950 in Wilmington, North Carolina, has 73,177 miles and is in very good condition. It is powered by a robust 440ci V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, featuring amenities such as an AM/FM radio, power front seat, power steering, and front disc brakes. The car has recently undergone an oil change and safety check, with service records available for review. The seller is parting with this vintage gem to make room for a classic sports car, presenting a unique opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a spacious and stylish classic vehicle. By 1977, the Chrysler Town & Country was renowned for its luxurious features and family-friendly design, making it a standout choice in the station wagon market. Number 4. This 1965 Ford Custom Cab, available for $14,000 in Lonsdale, Arkansas, features a powerful 390 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. With a mileage of 123,456, this short wheelbase model is finished in a striking red. The seller is open to trade offers for a party barge of equal value, making this a flexible option for those looking to acquire a classic truck. By 1965, the Ford Custom Cab was recognized for its durability and functionality, appealing to both collectors and those in need of a reliable workhorse with a vintage flair. Number 5. This 1968 Chevrolet C10, listed for $10,000 in Cottage Grove, Wisconsin, features a powerful 350 crate motor paired with an automatic transmission. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, delivering an impressive sound. While it has a small transmission fluid leak, it does not burn oil, ensuring reliable performance. The seller has enjoyed using it as a daily driver, mentioning it turns heads wherever it goes. By 1968, the Chevrolet C10 was renowned for its stylish design and practicality, making it a highly sought-after option for classic truck enthusiasts looking for a blend of character and capability. Number 6. This 1971 Cadillac El Dorado, available for $1,800 to $500 in Lockport, Illinois, has 61,851 miles and features a sleek silver exterior complemented by a blue interior. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has been well maintained, showcasing nice paint, new tires, a new battery, and recent alternator and hose replacements. While it ran and drove fine until recently, it currently has an oil pressure issue that is not related to the oil pump. The seller notes that the Hagerty value was $13,000 before the engine issue and is open to reasonable offers, making this a compelling option for classic car enthusiasts looking for a luxurious project. By 1971, the Cadillac El Dorado was celebrated for its elegance and performance, solidifying its place as a classic American luxury vehicle. Number 7. This 1966 Mercury Monteray, listed for $6,500 in Stockbridge, Georgia, has 51,000 miles and is powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well, having been taken to car shows and accumulating over 2,000 miles in the process. The seller indicates that if the ad is still up, the car is available and the price is negotiable, providing an excellent opportunity for interested buyers. By 1966, the Mercury Monteray was known for its blend of style and performance, making it an appealing choice for classic car enthusiasts seeking a reliable and elegant vehicle. Number 8. This 1977 Chrysler Cordoba, priced at $5,500 in Ocala, Florida, has 77,000 miles and runs and drives well. Although it has a salvage title due to a rear-end accident, it is currently registered and insured. The seller has performed extensive recent work, including new hoses, fuel pump, water pump, thermostat, fan clutch, ignition system, wires, plugs, tires, and alternator. Powered by a robust 400 big block engine, the car features working air conditioning for added comfort. It is sold as is, with a title in hand and a bill of sale provided, making this a solid option for enthusiasts looking for a well-maintained classic with a bit of character. By 1977, the Chrysler Cordoba had gained a reputation for its stylish design and powerful performance, appealing to those seeking a distinctive American classic. Number 9. This 1972 Chevrolet Vega, listed at $25,500 in Kennewick, Washington, features a Buick Regal Turbo 3.8 V6 engine, though the motor is currently non-functional and the turbo is missing. The car has minimal rust and is being sold as a project vehicle, making it a potential restoration candidate for enthusiasts. The seller is open to trades for motorcycles, metal fabrication tools, or welders, and holds a clean title, providing flexibility for buyers looking to negotiate. By 1972, the Chevy Vega was recognized for its compact design and sporty appeal, making it a unique choice for those interested in customizing or restoring a classic car. Number 10. This 1973 Chevrolet S10, available for $1,000 in Sandpoint, Idaho, is a regular cab short bed with a driven mileage of 125,000. Being the first year of the square body design, it holds potential for classic truck enthusiasts. However, it is being sold as a parts truck as the transmission's reverse is failing. The seller is asking for $2,000 or best offer, though it does not come with a title. This S10 offers a unique opportunity for those looking to salvage parts or undertake a project restoration, tapping into the popularity of the classic square body style.